Namaskara Vikshakre, Pranam Satyo and hello fellow sapiens. You are listening to More Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. Today I am very excited to share that I have bought a drone. So this video is all about unboxing my new drone and also going ahead with the first flight of it on my terrace. I will share the unboxing video at the dealer's place of the drone that I bought, and also the first flight video that I tried from my terrace, as I told you. With the limited number of dealer networks in Bangalore, I inquired for about 5 dealers, and I squared out that this was the best place to buy the drone as per my requirements. So the drone that I have bought is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. As I said, I will share the details and also the dealer details and the buying experience and the unboxing video at the dealer's place in a while. But I wanted to speak about my experience buying a drone here. I was offered a much lesser price by a different dealer, about a few thousands lesser than what I have bought now. I'll reveal the price before the video ends. But still, I thought that this would be the best dealer based on my communication with this dealer. I bought it from HobiTech in Kengeri, Bengaluru. And I believe that Keshav, the point of contact, the dealer, is a very nice person, and he spoke to me really well, and they have all the services from drone sales and till repairs, and they give the best service, and the support that I'm getting till now since I have bought the drone is fabulous. It's flawless, because I text one of his employees whenever I have a question or a problem, which I feel was a problem, but it isn't at the end when I get to the settings and figure it out how to do that, because I'm a beginner. And he helps me with pretty much everything instantly. And I should give a shout out to that dealer, and it was my best electronic buying experience. I should say this was the best. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Here comes the unboxing event. The unboxing was done at the dealer's office, HobiTech's office in Kengeri, Bengaluru, as I mentioned earlier. So what happens is, like here in Bangalore, most of the dealers, they unbox it. You can unbox it if you are really interested in that, or let them unbox it. And then they usually give a short tutorial if you are a beginner, so that it helps you in your first flight, and it's really helpful the way this is conducted, and especially the way it was conducted from HobiTech employee called Hasnayan. It was really helpful, and he gave all the basic details and shared me the links of all the videos which would help me with my flight and getting accustomed to the drone as a beginner. So this was really helpful. I opted for the FlyMore Combo Plus bundle, which comes packed with 3 45 minutes batteries. When I inquired across 5 dealers, this was the only option available with all of them. The FlyMore Combo Plus bundle includes a drone and a smart RC2, a carrying case, a propeller guard, 3 batteries with the charging hub, and the extra propellers and documentation. Now that we are done and dusted with the unboxing, here starts the tutorial. This tutorial starts with the registration of the drone on the DJI site under our profile, and then goes up to the settings and all the basic details of how to fly a drone and what are the different controls on the RC2. There are 2 more bundles available to opt with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. One of them is the FlyMore Combo, which is the same as FlyMore Combo Plus, but the only difference is that instead of 3 45 minutes batteries, you will be getting 3 30 minutes flight time batteries. And the last one is the basic bundle, which has the drone and the RC2 packaged with 1 30-minute battery. I was more interested in the FlyMore Combo bundle, as this is the version of the drone with 34 minutes battery which weighs less than 250 grams, but none of the dealers had it. So I was kind of forced to buy the FlyMore Combo Plus bundle. So here goes. These are a few first time flight videos from the terrace of my residence. These are not color graded videos, and these are straight from the drone's camera, and please don't expect any beautiful moves or perfection, as this was my first time flying the drone. The video shot during the evening time looked very nice without color grading, but the next video, which was shot during the night, looks like it needs improvement. Some of my friends and well-wishers always suggested me to buy a drone for my travel videos, so here I am following their suggestion. I always wanted to buy a drone to use it as a hobby even before I started YouTubing, because drones always fascinated me. Now, since it would help my travel videos and also that I had got the budget for it, I went for the purchase. I am putting aside a handsome budget and time for YouTube, though I don't see any subscriber growth, but let's see how it goes. And now for the most awaited price reveal. I paid 1,20,000 for the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus bundle. Hope this helps in your purchase decision. Please like, share and subscribe, and as I usually say, pour down your emotions in the comment section below. Thank you.